the SOWLE RV Podcast. I am Mark.
And I'm Angie with SOWLE RV. This week we are focusing on a special edition of the SOWLE RV Spotlight. This is where we share details about a specific RV floor plan as well as our likes and dislikes about it. However, in this episode we are going to take a look at 5 different floor plans of RVs that weigh 3,500 pounds or less and compare them. We are looking into the 2021 Forest River RV R-Pod, the 2021 Forest River RV Wildwood FSX, the 2001 Coachman RV Clipper Ultralight BHS, the 2021 Coachman RV Clipper Cadet, and finally the 2021 Coachman RV Catalina Summit Series. So, let's get started first with the 2021 Forest River RV R-Pod.
We are starting the discussion with the RP 192 floor plan. This travel trailer has a queen-size Murphy bed above the sofa in the living room with end tables and wardrobe on both sides. There's also a 30 by 75 inch booth dinette, a nice size pantry, and a full width rear bathroom. Additionally, the exterior has an 11-foot awning and exterior pass-through storage. There are also options to have an outdoor kitchen on some of these models.
Right, and those are nice.
The dry weight is 3449. Cargo weight is 1,411 pounds. The hitch weight is 460 pounds. The overall length is 22 foot 2 inches. It will sleep 3. Next on the list is a 2021 Forest River RV Wildwood.
We are discussing the FSX 167 RBKX floor plan. This travel trailer has a queen-size Murphy bed above the sofa in the living room with end tables on both sides. There is a booth dinette and lots of overhead storage. The exterior has a 12-foot awning, full pass-through storage, a hot-cold shower outside, and a small refrigerator and outdoor kitchen area. The dry weight is 3,234 pounds, the cargo weight 766 pounds, and the hitch weight is 350 pounds. The length of this RV is 21 foot 2 inches and it sleeps 3. Now let's move on to the 2021 Coachman RV Clipper Ultralight BHS.
This Coachman is the 17 BHS floor plan. This travel trailer has one slide out that holds the booth dinette. There's a full-size bed plus bunk beds. Additionally, there is a nice size pantry in the kitchen. There's also a bathtub at the rear of this RV. Dry weight is 37 pounds. Cargo weight is 988 pounds. Hitch weight is 425 pounds. And the length is 21 foot 4 inches.
And how many does it sleep?
Sleeps 5.
Nice. Moving on to the 2021 Coachman RV Clipper Cadet, we are discussing the 14CR. This travel trailer has a nice size wardrobe, a bathtub in the bathroom, a sofa, a dinette with seating storage as well as overhead storage. Additionally, the exterior has a power awning. The dry weight is 2,335 pounds, the cargo weight is 1,468 pounds, and the hitch weight is 303 pounds. The length of this RV is very small. It is only 16 foot 4 inches, and it sleeps 3.
Moving on to the Coachman Catalina Summit Series, we are discussing the 174 RB. This trailer has a fold-up Queen Murphy size bed over the sofa in the living room with nightstands and a wardrobe on both sides. There is a booth dinette with lots of overhead storage. Finally, the full width bathroom at the rear of this RV with a bathtub shower combo and a linen closet. The exterior has a 13-foot awning and outside storage. The dry weight is 3,350 pounds, cargo weight of 950 pounds, and a hitch weight of 408. The length is 20 foot 6 inches and sleeps 3.
Nice.
Our likes and dislikes about these 5 new Awesome RV floor plans that weigh under 3,500 pounds are...
Well, let's start with the 2021 Forest River RV R-Pod that we talked about. I like the pantry in the kitchen, the good size refrigerator, nice size kitchen sink, booth dinette that makes into a bed, and storage on both sides of that sofa. I like the power awning as well. There's a queen size Murphy bed, not an RV queen size that is 6 inches shorter than a regular queen size, like this one. Love the outdoor kitchen option, Mark.
Having that little outdoor kitchen option is nice.
Right.
The dislikes are kind of the exterior design for kids.
Yes.
But it's not great for adults unless you like frogs and bees.
Right. It's really cute, but it is a little much for adults, I think. How about the 2021 Forest River RV Wildwood FSX? What'd you like about that one?
It has a great size wardrobe in the bathroom, as well as on both sides of the sofa has some good storage.
Right.
Also like the outdoor kitchen.
Oh, of course.
Don't
But
really care for the pantry.
I was going to say the
No
exact
pantry.
same thing. Yeah. No pantry in the kitchen.
Sofa doesn't look real comfortable.
No, it didn't. Okay.
The 2021 Coachman RV Clipper Ultralight VHS. What-
I like the bunk beds. Bunk beds in a smaller travel trailer is a great floor plan and plenty of room for sleeping. I love the slide out too. Gives you a little bit of extra space. There's a good amount of space on the countertops.
Being able
And-
to sleep 5 is nice. With
Yes,
those bunk
and in a
sets.
smaller camper like that, yeah.
Lightweight. You can tow it with the average vehicle. Doesn't have to be a huge dually truck or anything. That's
Right.
these lightweights ones are all really nice as far
Right.
as the capacity. But this one gives you the opportunity to have 5 kids or bring along your kids with you and have 5 people.
Right, right. And there's plenty of room in the slide out with the dinette for everybody to sit down and have a meal together too.
Yep.
But what did it not have?
Didn't have a sofa.
I know, right?
It's just one of those that when you get this small, you have to choose what you want and don't want, and maybe a sofa is not the thing that you want.
Right, but the only seating is on the bed or the dinette, and I don't know. I just feel like you have to have some kind of other seating. And it's only got a full size bed instead of a queen size bed too, so that was kind of not my favorite. And there's no wardrobe or nightstands on the side of the bed. It's just a mattress with a headboard and maybe a little storage up in the headboard. Climbing over someone to get in the other side of the bed would not work for us.
Not much fun there.
Right, right.
Moving on to the 2021 Coachman RV Clipper Cadet. The bathtub, I like that option. It has a good amount
Good
of
for
overhead
kids.
storage in the main living space. Good wardrobe as well in this one.
Yes, it's
really
huge.
nice.
When you walk in the RV, there's a huge wardrobe in that one. For a small camper, that's awesome.
Yep.
And that layout is different than most of the RVs that we've seen in this size. Usually the sofa bed combo is at the front of these RVs, but this one has a larger dinette at the front, and then the sofa, if that's what you want to call it, it's kind of an extended bench from the dinette, but it goes out towards the middle of the RV. There's no sink in the bathroom, just a toilet and bathtub shower combo. Also, no mirror in the bathroom and no storage. Extremely small fridge in this RV also. However, it's only a 16-foot travel trailer, so small should be expected.
Yeah, you go small, that's what you choose, what your
Right.
amenities are. Really
Right.
nice lightweight camper, though. You get a lot more capacity to tow because it is such a smaller, lighter
Exactly.
camper. But, where are you going to put all that stuff in something that small is the whole point of the,
Exactly.
yeah.
Now moving on to the 2021 Coachman RV Catalina Summit Series. What did you like about this one?
I like the bathtub. Always bathtubs are nice
Yeah.
instead of just having a shower. Had a good sized linen closet in the bathroom as well. Storage was good on this one. It also had the wardrobe on both sides of the sofa Murphy bed.
Like that.
The sofa looks more like theater seating.
Yeah.
Drop down cup holder in the middle.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, and what you said about the bathroom, and that RV has the full width rear bathroom, so it gives you lots of space in the bathroom. But there's not a lot of countertop space in the kitchen. That's the only thing I just really didn't
I'm
care
not
for.
sure that any of these campers have a tremendous amount of counter space.
but
so
this one had a
cooking
lot
and all
less.
is a big thing. These smaller campers are going to be tough on anyone.
That's why
I
you need
think.
that outdoor kitchen. If
Yeah.
not, yeah.
Yep.
So what was our favorite of the 5? I bet you all can probably guess that.
The 2021 Forest River R-Pod RP192.
Right, that RV R-Pod.
Nice little small camper.
Yes.
And that is going to do it for today's episode of the SOWLE RV Podcast. We hope that you have enjoyed taking a look at these 5 new Awesome RV floor plans that weigh under 3,500 pounds in this special edition of the SOWLE RV Spotlight.
Thanks so much for joining us today. As always, SOWLE RV encourages you to safely get out and live and explore the world around you. If you'd like to check out our show notes from today's episode, just go over to SOWLERV.com and click underneath podcast. And make sure you follow us on social media and be sure to hit that subscribe button below.